Don't.
You can light the top of it.
Yeah, we'll just talk to it. Not standing close to that.
Got it. Oh, come on, Pat.
Get behind it.
Go get behind us so I can record you. Quick.
Oh, that's the way it
Make a wish, Pat.
I wish to shoot everybody with that toy shotgun. That's my wish.
Yeah, this is taking forever to blow you out.
Make a wish, okay, make it faster. Go faster!
Olivia, no. Olivia.
Olivia wants it.
She's a cake.
Yeah.
That has that kind of phone.
Water loves it.
Holy crap.
This is where I always said it right here.
Burn faster in the kitchen.
Nice to know that you tried it in the kitchen there, Mark.
Watch it light up again.
There you go.
There you go.
It's not working. That would be something.
Now it's gonna go. I guarantee nothing.
Great. I hope it's not going to fizzle.
I hope it doesn't die when it goes in the cake.
Oh, I know. That would be bad.
Which one's going in first?
Hopefully this actually works.
Look how funny it was.
And then he walks closer and it goes.
I was thinking about that. I'm like, shit, that fuse goes. That's lighted again.
Yeah, it's your cake.
Guys, oh!
That is such a slow burning fuse.
In the kitchen, it went in like a few seconds.
Don't move.
Smaller piece. We're going to have to put out the rest on the ground. There we go.
Pat, you go out again?
Who called it?
Did it go out?
All of us.
3, 2.
Everybody got a knife.
Pat. I mean, Mark.
Look out.
Don't throw it.
What are you doing?
That's like going to an NRA meeting and asking if anybody has a gun.
Watch out, baby.
Anytime.
Hopefully. I got some M1000s we can put on it. Sorry.
I think it fizzled out.
Cake and lighter fluid.
Yeah, right? I think it fizzled out.
No, it's still
Or
smoking.
Bacardi 151.
Yeah,
There you go, Ray.
that would work. You can smell it cooking.
Wait.
Did it go out?
Going out again? Yeah.
Yeah, it did.
Hold on. There we go. You suck.
Yeah, it does.
Good job.
Oh, what the hell?
Does that kid say Acme?
Says blow me.
Still smoking.
Oh, just rip the damn thing open and light it.
It melted the... I don't know where the fuse went.
Until it actually goes.
Did you find it?
Yeah.
I'm not bringing you to the ER again.
There. It should go now.
More than I'd like to be.
Oh, gosh.
Is she supposed to be in the safety zone?
Yeah.
Wrong way.
Are you serious?
It'll work if you take it in the kitchen.
Yeah, right?
Probably.
No, I'm getting hurt.
Anybody got any lighter fluid?
Yeah, on the table. Take it out.
gonna hide it from the bottom.
Yeah, no shit.
God.
I'm liking the lighter fluid idea. I am too.
It's not like anyone's gonna eat it anyways. You think? Do you want to dive right in?
Got a 2-second fuse here, right?
It's not staying lit. I think the frosting did the fusing.
No, there's no frosting on it.
I'm the one standing next to it.
Are we filming it? Are we filming this for that show on MTV? What do they call it? Jackass?
Jackass. Well, depending on the outcome.
No, watch people blow themselves up with a cake. Now it's going.
All the ways to die.
It went out.
It's not going.
I think we may want to think more positive.
So we go get the lighter fluid. Yeah.
Seriously, go get the lighter fluid. Go, Brian, go!
Yeah, we do.
Where's the work that didn't